Hello, I'm Sean Ninner, the Director of Projects for Eagle Hat.
And I'm Chris Hanrahan, the business manager for Evil Hat.
We are starting a new series, that you can see above, called Business to Business. This is a series all about connecting with other folks in the industry, specifically retailers, and talking about how we can help you and how we can work together to improve your experience carrying our products.
We get a lot of questions from retailers directly to our feedback line asking us if we sell directly to them. And we do. So we thought we would make a little video on how to sign up for an account, give you a notion of what some of the benefits are. For instance, we ship directly to you for free if you do a $99 wholesale order. That's 200 retail because we give you a 50% discount on top of all of that. And we sell items on our website that we don't necessarily sell through distribution, which is actually kind of a fun benefit as well, bringing some unique items into your shop.
Yeah. So I'm going to do a walkthrough as though I was a retailer, and we're going to show you how to create a retailer account. Chris is going to guide me through it. I'm
There's
on the
my
Eagle Hat
dog.
website right now.
There
So
we are. We actually go up to the top, and there is an accounts button right up there. We're going to click through. Sean's going to tell you a little bit about this part because there's some techno babble here that he's more familiar with.
Right. So I'm putting in my email address or a fake email address right now. You'll put in your own, and I'm going to click register. I'm going to copy this so I remember what I used. You'll click register, and it will give you this message saying your account has been created and a password has been sent to you by email. But it has not,
It
because we've
is
had
not.
so many spam accounts. That feature is disabled.
Yeah.
So once you've done this, what you're going to do is click on the login button as though you wanted to log in, and you're going to say, lost my password. Here, you'll put in the same email address that you just used and click get my password. This will in fact work. This will send you a message saying, this will send you a message with a link to reset that password. So you'll get the link in your email, and I'll put it here in my browser, and it will give you a password that you can go ahead and use if you want. It defaults to something that's pretty strong. You can change it to anything you like, but go ahead and save password. And the account has now been created, and you can go ahead and click login. So now you'll put in your plus retail gmail.com and the password. And you'll click login.
And once
Hopefully
you're
I
there,
typed that
it'll
all
just,
in correctly.
it should only take a
All
second.
right.
There we go. And
Yeah.
you see that big list of stuff in the blue links right there where it says pre-orders, orders, downloads, etc. One of the first things that we want to do is we want to go ahead and add our account details. And that's going to
So,
be your first name, your last name, and the display name you want to use. And
all
save
right.
those
I'm putting
changes.
that in. I could subscribe to our newsletter as well. I could also change password if I wanted, but everything right now looks good. So I'm gonna save that.
And once we get there, look at that. Successfully changed. We've done a thing. We're
Yay.
then going to go over to addresses and add our shop's address.
Yeah. So this is something you could do later while you're ordering it, but if you put it in now, it remembers it for the future and you never have to do it again. So it's very
Yep.
convenient to just do this while you're creating the account. First, I'm going to put in our billing address, and you can put any address you want. Your billing address can be anywhere in the world.
We're cleverly making up this information.
Right, all this very legitimate information here.
Uh-oh.
It does not like my zip code.
I think you had
All
too
right,
many numbers.
I'll put a real zip code in there. Hopefully, it'll accept me.
Look at
Cool.
that.
It's got
Successful.
my billing address.
And now your shipping address, which does need to be a US-based address.
So you'll notice that right now we're going to try to fix this. So hopefully when you come, it will actually not be the case. But right now, this has any address in it. We only ship to the U.S., so you can use a freight forwarder, so we can ship to you internationally. But hopefully this list will be fixed. But for right now, we're going to make sure I'm putting in a valid. I'm putting in a valid address.
And we do have a lot of international retailers who do use US-based freight forwarders quite successfully.
Great. All of my shipping and billing addresses there.
We're going to talk about next steps, which
we can also add one more thing.
We could, yeah.
Right. That's true. We can also add in payment information. Now, I'm not going to put this in right now, but if you click on Add Payment Info and you select credit card and put in all your credit card information, when you save it, under payment methods, rather than saying no payment methods found, it'll show the payment method, the last 4 digits of your card, and you can, and then you can delete that if it's no longer current. You can add new ones, but that way, if you have all that in there, your orders are super easy in the future. All right, Chris, I've created my account. What do I do now?
The next thing you do is you go to email and you type feedback@evilhat.com and you send me a brief message stating who you are and that you'd like a retailer account on our website. It's incredibly helpful if you send me your username and your email address, and I'll look you up and I'll give you retailer customer credentials on the website. That's it. Once you send that email, it generally takes me 24 to 48 hours, often a lot less, to do that authorization. And I'll send you a quick message back once it's done so that you can go place an order anytime thereafter.
All right. So I've sent an email to Chris. Please let me in. Make me a retailer.
And woof, it is done.
It is done. Look how fast
it
that
is done.
Awesome.
Yes.
So I'm going to go back to the Evil Hat store. We're going to show you what, let's say we made a purchase. Let's say we added, we're purchasing some coffee at Deathmatch Island. I'm going to just add a single one to the cart. Now, normally, obviously, you would purchase much more than this, but we want to show you how the discounting works. So if I go into the cart, shows me the normal total. This is fine that it says $30 here, because below it will show the retailer discount, and it's knocking that in half. Now I'm still paying shipping because I haven't gotten the wholesale total over $99. But if I do that, if I change this to 8 copies, for instance, it now shows me free shipping, and the $240 is knocked down to $120. That's it. You don't have to do anything. Your account just always discounts it.
Yep.
That's all.
And if for some reason it doesn't, I've made a mistake and you should just email me back and I'll fix it. But generally, that's how it looks every single time a retailer places an order with us. And obviously, you can do that with any combination of items. You can do onesies, you can do twosies, or as Sean did, 8sies.
That's my classic 8sies.
Yeah, 8sies.
This series is going to be a limited run where we're going to keep adding other information. For instance, we're going to talk about our PDF guarantee, so you can make sure that whenever someone buys a physical book of ours from you in the store, that you can send them the PDF directly. They get the full value, no cost to you, no cost to them. So there's going to be other videos in this series. We hope it's been useful. If you have any questions, please email feedback@evilhat.com. That's what we do, is we take care of folks. Yeah, we're here to help. So thanks so much.
Thanks for watching this. Really appreciate it.
And have a great day.